So the other night I got an email from one of the Bossalinas. His name is Brett. Y'all may know him as Georgia Crow Guy in the chat or in Discord. If you ain't in the Discord, join the Discord. And if you ain't at the live streams, come kick it for a live stream. I'm telling you, it's fun as hell. But he was like, hey man, you know, you don't have to replace that exhaust. Yoshimura has a repair facility in the USA. So I went on their website and sure enough, they do. I called them up and they're like, yeah, send us pictures. So I sent them some pictures and I sent them to a guy named Mike, and Mike sent off to a guy named Alex, who is the manager of, you know, repair and refurbishing. And they reached back out to me. They're like, yeah, we can fix that. Send it in, you know? I mean, for a fraction of the price of replacing this thing, they're going to refurbish it and send it back. So we're going to yank this guy off, put it in a box, and send it to him. And see what happens, right? Yeah, Bossalina, dude. I'm excited. Let's do it. I've never taken the exhaust on or off of this thing. So I imagine probably just the rear sets, and there's a stupid bolt down here that looks impossible to get to. So that'll be fun. It went on, it'll come off. All right, let's start with this rear set. Oh, I always get the wrong one first. Oh well. I know I'll put the squeeze on these things. And I Loctited the shit out of them. I don't know if y'all were around for that. If you weren't paying attention, there's a video of me having trouble with these rear sets. But it was on that side, not this side. This bike originally came with these Woodcraft rear sets, I think. And the bolts that they sent weren't long enough to go all the way to the back of the hole. So they basically stripped out on that side, sort of. There's a little bit, there's like this much thread left. And I got them Loctited. So far, so good. I should have put an extension on this, huh? We gotta get that. There's also, there's a nut on the backside that I don't even know how the hell, I don't even know. I'm gonna show y'all. So that nut right there has gotta come out, right? This is so easy, but gonna be so hard. It's one bolt. And then them hooks. There's a nut in there. Can you see it? Ah, a nut in here. Boom. That you gotta put a wrench on somehow. But the muffler sticks out in its path. So you have to figure this out, bro. That cover's already scratched up, don't worry. Like this could be so easy, but it's not. How the fuck did they do that? All right, more lights. More lights. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm thinking the same thing. You can't get this thing off. This shit got Loctite all up in it. I know I'm stalling. All right. I think the only way is gonna be like this. And I still can't even really see it. Ooh, oh, dude. All right, that's the only way. I'll time lapse this. Okay. I should probably unhook these, huh? Oh, how do you do that? Ha! Here, I got this. Oh. Okay. Almost. Ah, I got it. Look at that. Alright. Now, how are we gonna get this bolt out of here? I mean, I haven't thought this far ahead. Bro, it just barely misses it, dude. How are we gonna get that out of there? He's gonna make it. Ah, we got it, y'all! Woo! Alright, now. How does this come apart? Does this not come apart? It's gotta come apart, right? Is this all one piece? No. Okay. Ha! Dude, what do I know? I never messed with an exhaust before. I mean, I knew it was a slip-on because I've seen people put them on. Hey. We're gonna go put her on the table and have a look at her. Let's take all this hardware and put it together. right, y'all. The biggest bummer of getting in an accident, honestly, was knowing that I damaged my Yoshi, man. I love this thing. I got one on both bikes. I got the chrome one on there and the carbon one on here. And man, I didn't want to have to spend that money, you know what I mean? And now I don't have to, dude. They can repair it. So remember, if you damage your Yoshi, there is relief. Bro, this is the best sounding exhaust for the FZ07. The R7, dude, an R7 with one of these on it, oh my God, bro. I mean, it sounds just like my bike. What am I saying? That's why I like it. Thanks to Parzilla, we have a box. Ah, dude, look at this thing. It's perfect. It's a little big. No, that's freaking perfect, dude. Look at that. Boom. Let's fill her up. Fill her up, Jack. All right. Yoshi. Good luck, girl. Love you. Sorry I did what I did to you. Love you. We'll see you soon. You'll be okay. Pack the crap out of this thing. Is that good? What do you think? Thank you, Parzilla. Dude, I keep every box. You never know when you're gonna need cardboard for something. Alright, she's all boxed up and ready to go, dude. We'll bring her tomorrow to FedEx, and I'll let you know how this goes. I'm sure it's going to go fine. Yoshimura is an awesome company. I'm excited, man. We're going to have this all back to... Dude, this bike is going to look so good when it's finished. Brand new Yoshi! Well, not new, but you know what I mean. New looking. Alright, Bossalinas, thanks for kicking it. We'll get this thing in the mail tomorrow. Box, FedEx. And they said bring it to one of these places and then cut it out. Have a little QR code, little deal. Alright, done. Thing is on its way to glory. Yes, dude. Sick. What's up, Bossalinas? She back. I haven't even opened it yet. I saved this for all of us to share together. This is exciting, dude. Let's do it. Y'all ready? All right, let's unbox this thing. It's such a nice box. I don't even want to tear it up. Try to get these staples out carefully. I shipped this out the Thursday before last. So it took like a week and a half total. Not bad. It might have been 11 days. Yeah, 11 days or something like that. Ooh, this is exciting. Y'all watching? Paper. Paper. They pack it real nice, man. Let me make sure nothing's gonna happen to this thing. Oh, dude, yeah, they pack it nice, bro. They ain't messing around. Look at them. Keeping that. It's cool. Alright. Here. I don't have a knife on me, but this will do. Oh, bro. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Ooh, they even, boy, they don't mess around, bro. Even the tape they use is like the thickest tape ever. All right. Bro, oh my, dude, oh my God, bro. Oh my God, look at her. Let's get it out of this bag. Sure ain't nothing scratchy on here. Holy crap, y'all. Holy crap. Dude, does that not look amazing? Look at it. Light's probably bright. Bro. It looks like a foot deep. I don't know, it just, the carbon on here looks so good. Thank you, Yoshi. You guys are awesome. Y'all did a great job. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Yes, dude! All right, let's get this thing on here, huh? What a great company, man. Yoshimura, for all your exhaust needs. I don't know of a single other company that you can do that with. I found a couple of Akrapovic like sleeves and stuff like that on Revzilla, but I didn't find that they had a repair facility anymore. So that is awesome, dude. Nice. Everything is out of the way. Okay. All right. This dude went in here. I remember that. Just gotta clean this dude up. No sense in putting this dirty dog in there. I want a brand new clean muffler. What do you call it? Slip on? I mean, it is a muffler that slips on. Slip on muffler? Slip on muffler, anyone? Look at this. Bro, this thing just screams class. Angry D, and the D stands for dirty fingerprints. Oh. Did I mention I've never done this before? Oh, the fun part's gonna be getting his washer back there. Woo-wee, boys and girls! All right. I'm gonna make sure this thing's angled right. It needs to turn some. Yeah, boy. All right. Nothing to it. Ooh, that looks so good. All right. This has to go inside of this hole. There's a whole bracket around here. This screw goes through and you got to get that thing, and without, dude, this is freaking hard. All right, we got it started. I'm gonna time lapse me tightening this up. Watch. 13 on the inside, 1/4 inch at a time. Yeah. All right, she's on there. Let's do the springs. Hey. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. I hope that don't stick in none of my tires. Yay. Bro, sick, dude. Oh, should look up these torque specs. 22 foot-pounds. That's it. Well, if they fall off, we'll know. We'll know immediately. Boom, Yoshi. The greatest sounding exhaust ever made for the FZ07. Well, for any bike ever. Let's be real. Hell yeah, dude. Yee! Let's start her up. All right. First start. With the fresh exhaust. Here we go. Wow, bro. Wow. It looks great. It sounds amazing. Wow. All right, we did it. Thank you, Bossalinas, for sticking around for this. Bro, the bike is done. Oh, one more thing, paint. But other than that, she's done, dude. And we're not going to paint her for a while because, I don't know, I don't see the point. Hell yeah, bro. Thank y'all so much for, you know, all the well wishes after the wreck, supporting me after it, and checking on me, and hanging out at the live stream, being Bossalinas, being on the Discord. Yo, join the Discord, join the Patreon, come be a Bossalina with us. I'll send you your stickers, and Love you guys so much. Thank you so much, dude. For real, this is awesome. And thank you to Yoshimura as well. I wrote him an email. They have a repair facility, so I wrote him an email. I was like, you know, I'm probably gonna make a video for the channel as well. And he was like, you know what? If you're gonna make a video, dude, we'll go ahead and just fix it. And dude, no lie, they fixed it and didn't charge me $1, bro. They sent me a shipping label, the whole deal. So, I mean, dude, thank you guys. Y'all are awesome, man. Thank you so much. I don't have a lot of money, and you guys really, like, y'all took a lot of weight off my shoulders doing this. Anybody who's wrecked and damaged their Yoshi, reach out to the company. Just go on their website. It's the sales. It's one email address for everybody. And just say, hey, I wrecked my bike. Send them pictures, and they'll let you know. They'll send you a quote. And, bro, a week and a half, here it is back, fixed, brand new. So thank you guys so much. And thank you, Bossolinas, for supporting the channel, for being there. Me and y'all and Yoshimura are going to take this bike and put her back in a rotation tomorrow. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to have the suspension back, all of it. I can't wait to hear that thing. Yoshimura is the greatest company in the world. Period. That's it. They're the greatest company in the world. So, all right, Bossolinas, thank y'all. I'm going to pick all this crap up.